broke at least one piece on that one. This one I want to make sure I get off, but all in all, that's another really fun starfish print. Is that a picture of Otis Redding taken just before he died? You can give me his eyes. Starfish are jumping ship. Well, that's nothing else. It's a good durability test on this print. Definitely. It would not pass the Jethro durability test. We know that. You would have that thing figured out in about a second, if not less. You gotta pay the super chat first, Jay. I'm not sending my dogs out until we get confirmed. Jethro concurs. So he's like, I'm perfectly fine. I got my Santa ball. It says Merry Fetchmas. What more could I want? If this thing squeaks, the only thing he can hear better is if he gets that right super chat, it'll maybe connect with the right vibration.